Do you have a word of advice for young musicians?
Yeah, I mean, it's funny. So before I said that it's not really important for klezmer musicians to understand Yiddish, but if you're interested in the music, then you have to learn something about the culture. And I think there are a lot of different ways to learn about the musical culture. Um, but I would say the things that I learned while learning Yiddish, like in Yiddish language classes from teachers who teach Yiddish language, were things that I didn't learn when I was learning Hebrew in a Jewish day school. They're not things that I learned taking classes about Judaism and like a university level. Haven't really done so much of that. They're not things that I learned going to synagogue. Like those things about Yiddish civilization, you don't really have a broad access point to. Like Yiddish language is really the most empowering tool to be able to access that. So I would say try to have an understanding of the musical culture and the linguistic culture, which are very deeply intertwined.